guys, it's Bethany. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a Sterling ink unboxing, and this is a true unboxing because I'm opening it right now. I just put lotion on my hands like I open it. But I did want to open it because I want to use it in my weekly, daily, whatever this is, my Aura Estelle daily, and I use these a lot in the kits. They're my favorite thing to use, and I end up using the entire thing for the month. I also got a new microphone, so let me know in the comment section below if it sounds better. I know you probably hear people talking and music in the background. Please disregard. And maybe trying to talk a little quieter because there's people in the house. So this is the Sterling ink kit. This is for, what, April, I guess? Hold on. This is April, and I got the deluxe one. They sent a thing asking me if you wanted the deluxe one. Of course, I said yes. Oh, these are gorgeous. I think I need to move my light a little bit because it's not picking up on how incredibly beautiful that is. So that's foiled. This one is not foiled. Still beautiful. This one is foiled. Gorgeous. I love these little boots with the flowers. Not foiled. This is not foiled, but longer strips, and this giant one, and I get the transparent matte. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Because this one I already showed it to you, and this must be the freebies. I thought I ordered the deluxe one. Does that not come till next month? Yeah, this one's for April. So you get this, the card always. This is going in my journal, and this is the freebie. This seems like the exact amount of stickers that I got last month. So this must not be the new bigger subscription. If you know, comment in the section below and let me know. So what do you think? Cute, right? Just a quick little haul. That's all I got for you. I will be putting this into my B6 daily, and I will put pictures up on my Instagram if you want to see what it turned out like. I just love, see, look how pretty that is. So check out my Instagram if you want to see what the daily pages turned out looking like. And thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Bye.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.